Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. Today we're talking about NIST SP 800-171 Control 3.7.3. Ensure equipment removed for off-site maintenance is sanitized of any CUI. So what does this mean? Obviously, one of the things we have to do as a part of this compliance standard is control anything where controlled unclassified information sits. So the last thing we want to do is take our computer system that might have some CUI on it and go take it over to the Geek Squad and let them have it for a couple hours while they fix something, right? Not a good idea. If we were answering this question, the first thing that we would do is we'd say, hey, look, it's implemented. No equipment containing CUI is ever removed for off-site maintenance. That's the easiest answer to this. Just don't do it. Equipment containing CUI is sanitized per the data destruction policy. Here's a hint, right? If you don't have a data destruction policy, highly recommend getting one. If it ever must be removed from the secure facility. If you have to bring a computer out for repair, then you're gonna have to wipe it. Maybe pull the hard drive, or maybe just do a secure wipe, or one way or another, get that CUI off there without a doubt. Now, here's another perspective. What if you have Dell warranties on your servers and they need a repair? Well, in that particular case, again, you'd probably have to wind up having the Dell rep sign some sort of a waiver saying they understand there may be CUI on these devices, they're not going to make any unauthorized copies, and then of course you've got to have an IT admin or somebody who's trained in CUI handling escort that visitor in the facility at all times, especially while they're working on equipment like that. But again, this control specifically is dealing with ensuring equipment that's removed for off-site maintenance is sanitized of CUI. Now remember, this doesn't necessarily just mean computers. It could be other things. It could be whiteboards. It could be a poster on your wall that's being framed that may be something that has CUI that's relevant. I mean, who knows what it is, but whatever it is, again, this applies to anything that's going off-site. So, hey, if you're trying to get compliant with DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, or CMMC on your own, and you're looking for help, our compliance experts are always on call for you. Visit NIST800-171compliance.com or check out the bio below for links that'll make your life a whole lot easier. There you can find more information about how we can help, self-schedule time at your convenience with one of our compliance experts through any form on the website, or learn more about our completely done-for-you services that can have you on your way to being compliant in just 2 to 3 days. If you love the content we're putting out there for you, let us know and hit that like button. And of course, the best thing to do really is put on your Hulk gloves and smash that subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliance nerds roll it out. It's a great way to stay prepared for the upcoming CMMC certification. Everybody's going to have to eventually go through it. And hey, until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, and hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. I'll see you on the next one. Hulk smash!